Tangsala Tirpura Urban Livelihood Mission Bugrakhoni Rabindra Bobanono Alumni Meetni Songsajaka O Pandawano Kacham Srengai Dogno Lam Sogino Te DDU GKYno Training Klainani Bagino Candidate Dogno Khabasa Rizaka Tripura kami hamkrai tangbedik ni bisingtino Tripura Rural Urban Livelihood Mission DDU GKY samung butangno muktham khlai jagi tongo obokri nukhungni bisi chisar omoni simi bisi thamsiba omoni kamini sikla sikli rokno rengmari rukte yagol ruk ajimungni bagai hakotor kami hamkrai tangbedek baino chubachu khaino samung butang o samung butang rok barat hapangni hakotor kami hamkrai tangbedekono khobjak juda juda project implementing agency ni bisingtino juda juda court stage rengmung rok tangjagi tongo candidate rokno taltham taldok talchukuni bagino hostel toniwi training khlai jago oboni yaglo juda juda private center ro borokno samung baino jai khlai jago 2022 BC ni July tal jorate no tripa kami amseni simi 1712 khoro sikla sikli rognote juda juda trade no trading khlai jaka te 3945 khoro training khlai jaka candidate rogne haseni phataro juda juda private center rogobo samuni shebruwi no rujak baikha obono kitingi no tripa rural urban livelihood mission tangsalo bugrakhoni Rabindra Bobano alumni meet songsa jaka o pandani kok bothoma angkha kesam srengmung baino malai phimungte DDUG KY training khlainani bagino khabasari mung o shali pandawa manjaka rural development ni principal secretary LS Dalong TRLM ni additional CEO AC Shaha TRLM ni tangphang Bishal Kumar Akosong pandawa kaham training khlainai rokno price yafar jaka pandawa principal secretary LS Dalong Shaka
events as the job seeker and job providers are meeting here and TRLM has organized this alumni meet 2022. I extend my gratefulness to Dr. Bishal Kumar and the Subhash Saha who has made this program successful. It would have been more meaningful had the Honorable Deputy CMs, who is also the Minister of RD, is present here. As you know, 70% of the India populations live in rural India and 30% live in urban and semi-urban area. And again, in India, in rural India, the livelihood is mainly depend upon the agriculture that includes animal husbandry, fishery. And you know, the
Tripura Rural Livelihood Mission DDUG KY samung butangno karibo nukhungni bisi chisar omoni simino bisi thamsiba omoni kamini sikla sikli rokno rengmari rukte yagol ruk aijumungni bagino hakotor kami hamkrai tangbedek maino suba jaka kaisa samung butang o shali pandawana kaham training khlai rijak bodol rokno price manui khatung laijak borok o shalo baithani training khlaimani bisingtino sak baithang basawi manmani kok rokno saka Bureau Report Kok Kharang